In this video, I'm going to show you how to successfully install the Apple integration shortcut. First things first, you want to make sure that you are using a planner with the integration. So make sure that you go into the integration file of the planners section and download one of those planners in the integration section. Next thing you want to do is come over to your settings and you want to scroll down to shortcuts. In shortcuts, we're going to enable private sharing. Once you finish installing, you can go back and disable it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our download PDF, and under important, you're going to tap on DGP Designs Code Integration Shortcut. And we're going to open up that link. We're going to tap on Setup Shortcut. Once you're here, you're going to select choose and you're going to select the note-taking app that you will be using the planner in. Once you have which app you will be using the planner in, you're going to tap on add shortcut. Now let's check to make sure the shortcut works. So we're going to tap on add link and then yes. And the shortcut does work. So you would select any one of these that you want to use. You can add an event to Apple Calendar, you can add an event to Google Calendar, or you can set a reminder.